Get noticed in this 2010 Nissan Murano. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. With low miles, this automobile will take you far and get you where you want to go. With a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, you will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.